Good day everyone, my name is Mrs. Shella Marie Aubrey Bihoya and I am your TLE teacher for today. Welcome to Beauty Care class, where you will learn the importance of taking good care of oneself. We are now in week 7 lesson. For today's lesson, we are going to study the different nail art designing tools that will help us to create fancy nail art design. At the end of the lesson, learners are expected to identify the use of nail art designing tools, appreciate the importance of nail art designing tools for cosmetology, and actively participate in class. Can you still remember what are these nail care tools? Do you know what is this? Yes, that's a nail cutter. How about this one? It is used to clean excess cuticles from cutting. Correct. That's a nail brush. How about this? It is used to cut cuticles. Very good. It is a nail nipper. How about this? It is also used for cutting cuticles. Yes, that's correct. It's a manicure scissor. And last, it is used to shape our nails. Correct. That's nail file. How about this tool? Are you familiar with these tools? What have you seen are what we call the nail art tools. They are used to create different fancy nail art designs. These tools also help the nail technician to easily create designs in no time. The first tool that I'm going to discuss is the commonly used nail art tool, which is the nail polish, that we commonly name as Q-tips. Do you know that Q-tips came from the word Q-tips? That is a brand name for nail polish like Caronia, Orly, Essie, OMG, Chic, and many more. You can check out the brands that your mom or siblings are using. Nail polish or color enamel is color type polish that gives color to our nails. There are 3 types of nail polish that we need to make a better result. The following video will discuss these 3 types of nail polish.
The first thing you need to apply is a base coat. It is a liquid product applied to the nail plate before applying the liquid nail polish or color enamel to prevent discoloration. It also allows your nail polish to glide on smoothly. White or platinum base coat can also be used. Next is the nail polish or color enamel. It is applied to give color to the nail. Apply it twice over the base coat. The last one is top coat. It is applied over the liquid nail polish. It protects the nail polish against chipping or cracking. Apply top coat to ensure that your manicure will last longer.
There are tips and warnings to be considered in using nail polish. It is a common error to directly paint the nail polish to our nails. This can cause our nails to be brittle and may cause leukonychia or white spot. That is why base coat is very important if you want your nail to be protected by the chemicals that a nail polish has. Cheaper brands of nail polish contains chemicals or ingredients that may harm our nails. The second tool used in nail art design is the nail dotters. These are used to create dots and circle patterns. They come in a variety of sizes to choose from depending on the size of the dots you want to create. Here's a glimpse of how to use a nail dotter.
In using nail dotters, be careful not to use too much pressure that may cause the dots to look deformed. Remember to clean them after use and dry thoroughly. These tools are made of metal and susceptible to rusting. You can also create simple flowers.
If you do not have nail dotters at home, you can use bobby pins or hair pins. Just bend them out straight and use the round tips at the end like normal dotters. You can also use toothpick for smaller dots. The third tool that we use in nail art design is the nail striper. These are nail polishes that comes with a long, thin brush rather than the usual flat, round brushes. It is used for painting and adding random flecks of color like in the following video.
In using nail striper, you should be careful. Too much pressure may ruin your design. Remember not to let other color to dry up before putting another polish if you want the color to blend with each other.
Here are some tips to help you in using nail striper. If you do not want to buy a new polish every time you want to try another color, you could alternately get a nail striper brush. You can use water-based nail paint, which makes the nail striper brush easier to clean. If you have used nail polish, use acetone, some soap, water, and a paper towel to clean your brush. The fourth one is the stationary tape. This tape can be used in creating super neat straight lines and stripes. Any sort of normal Scotch tape is fine, but you can experiment and see which one gives you the best results. They're great for creating neat lines and geometric shapes. Just cut the tape into the desired strip and shape, paste it onto your nail, and paint over. The following video will help you know how to use the stationary tape.
Cut the tape before you start painting your nails so you avoid smudging. Use tweezers to remove the tape. Use nail brush for touch-up. Make sure the base coat is dry before applying the tape. And use nail cutter to cut excess tape. And finally, apply top coat.
Last but not the least is the nail art brushes. A good set of nail art brushes are very essential tools when doing a nail art design. The main types of brushes for nail art are fan-shaped brushes, flat brushes, flat-angled brushes, and plain brushes for details and long stripers. Here are ways on how to use some nail art brushes.
Flat brushes. You can create one-stroke design. Fan brush. You can do loose glitter placement. Liner brush. You can create any letters. Angular brush. You can create daisies. Grab your nail art brushes and try it at home.
You can also use old makeup brushes in absence of nail art brushes at home. Just make sure to clean the brushes before and after using for nail art. Let us now check what have you learned by identifying the pictures shown in the video. Have fun!
Identify the tools shown in the picture. Ready? Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Answers. Number 1, nail polish. Number 2, nail striper. Number 3, nail daughter. Number 4, stationery tape. And number 5, nail art brushes. Congratulations!
Always remember the following guidelines in nail care. Client is advised on after nail care service and nail maintenance practice. Always dispose waste properly according to waste environment and safety regulations. And make sure to clean and sanitize workstation in accordance with OHS requirements. And now, I will give you a short quiz to determine if you understand the lesson well. Be ready. Good luck! Number 1. What is the cosmetic applied to the nail plate to prevent discoloration? Answer. Base coat. Number 2. What is the tool used in nail designing to create a simple flower? Answer. Nail daughters. Number 3. What can we use if the nail daughter is not available? Answer. It can be bobby pins or hair pins and also toothpick. What do you call the nail art brushes that come with a long thin brush rather than the usual flat and smooth ones? Answer. Nail striper. And number 5. What can be used in nail designing to create super neat straight lines? Answer. Stationery tape. Good job everyone. I hope you all passed. For your reflection for today, write a personal insights about the lesson using this question. Based on the topic that we discussed, do you think it is important to know the use of different nail art tools? Why or why not? Submit it in our FB Books album provided for this. That's all for today. I hope you learned a lot. Remember that beauty is not how you look physically, because beauty comes from within. Again, I am Maam Sheh reminding everyone to always follow health protocols for COVID-19 for you and for your family's safety. Thank you and God bless.